It's a 2007 Toyota Camry. I'm not going to really get inside of it at the moment because we're doing some things on the inside, but hopefully now that the heads have been changed and all that work is done, hopefully it will last me a while. Just ordered that vinyl cover. Hopefully it will sit. But like you see, as a matter of fact, as you see, I now have 814 original miles that I've put on it since I've had the car, and it has 157,142 miles total to this day. Yeah, overall I'm happy with the car. I'll be making the changes. The first thing I'm about to show you is the wood grain that we're going to put in it. Well, I'm on the out here, might as well show you the inside. We're working with putting some speakers in, replacing the stock speakers. Like I said, I went ahead and claimed the car. It's mine. I'm gonna do what I want with it now. The bill has been paid, title is in hand. The Father has blessed me to keep me safe, and we're rolling. But to be a good dealer, I think they'd step up to the plate and say, you know, like I said, that box I showed you, that checked as is, I don't know what they'll do. I don't know if they'll respond, but that's just something to let you know if you decide. And hey, best shopping to you. Again, that's one thing that sold me right there on it, was that sunroof. I would like to have had the XLE, but I came across this, I couldn't pass it. I figured anything else. Son and I make it a project. We'll put time into it and make it happen. Oh yeah, I might as well show you this while I'm here. Now if you were looking the other video, you'll see that's my new head. Put the new belt on. I mean, we're ready to ride now.